Let's remind ourselves of some of the blessings that Allah has given us. Our mind, eyes, ears, the sun, the moon, the stars, food and water, and the list goes on forever. How do we thank Allah for these blessings? We can thank Allah in 3 ways. With our tongues, by saying, Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah. In our hearts, by remembering that the blessings are from Allah and feeling thankful for this. By our actions, by using the blessings God gave us in the right way. Can you say Alhamdulillah? This means all praise and thanks belong to Allah.